Rail operator SMRT says it has fully refurbished 54 escalators on the north, south and east-west lines. This is about 1/4 of the 233 escalators across the two lines.
Work on another 21 is currently in progress. SMRT's 5-year escalator refurbishment project across the network's two oldest lines started in August 2016. And it's the first major refurbishment since the MRT began operations in 1987.
Refurbishing an escalator like this involves the removal, installation and replacement of more than 1,000 parts. SMRT says it takes about 4 months to renovate one escalator. The project is expected to be completed by end 2021.
Certain escalators may take longer because at times additional issues are discovered only after they are completely stripped. We ask for commuters' understanding and patience before we put the escalators back to service.